Hi, I'm Jansen,
And I'm Jeremy.
and we just bought our first house thanks to Kathy Pomalai. We actually found her via another seller listing, but unfortunately the house was already under contract. So she took us under her wing and guided us through the listings here in Northern Virginia, helping us find our price point, the area that we wanted to live in without having to negotiate on any of the things that were really important to us.
And as Jansen mentioned, she really kept us within our price point, showed us all the different options. I mean, this is the DC area, so there's so many things you could possibly see, different neighborhoods, houses, and she helped us narrow it down. And she really went to bat for us as far as negotiating, getting the right amount, showing us the comps in the area. She actually helped us write an offer on another place that we didn't get the place, but she really did show us everything that she thought we had to look at in order to
She worked hard to make the
price.
contract as strong as it could be for us. Within the next week or two, this house actually came on the market. The very next day, we put an offer in. She got us into the house. We were some of the first people here. We put an offer in. She helped us write a very strong offer and helped us negotiate things in our favor. And now we're here. And we would definitely recommend Kathy Pomalai to any other seller in this area.
Or buyer.
Or buyer, yes. Sorry, we're already ready to sell. She's fantastic, and please feel free to call us if you have any questions. We would be more than happy to give you any information.
Thanks.